Hi there. We are going to talk about the long vowel sound for the letter E, which is when it says its name, E. First, let's go over the vowels again. So, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and sometimes the letter Y is a vowel too, and in this case, we're going to see it. For the long vowel sounds, the letters all say their name. So A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, U says U, and in this case, Y will say E as well. We're going to focus on the long vowel E today. So let's look at some words that have the long vowel E in them. Peace has the long vowel E sound. Eve does. Beak and cheese. Now see if you can find the pattern, the spelling pattern, that makes up the E sound in each word. There's the IE in peace. The E at the end only is silent, doesn't say anything. And then for Eve, the first E says its name, the long vowel E sound. And then there's a consonant, and then there's another E. So the E consonant E will say the long E sound. And then the EA in beak says E, and the EE in cheese says E. Let's go over the rules again. The IE is a spelling pattern that says E. E consonant, any kind of consonant, E works. The EA has the long E sound, and the EE has the long E sound. But there's more. Honey has E sound, long E. Hungry and she. Can you find the long E spelling pattern? I told you we'd see that Y. Yeah, the EY when it's at the end of the word. That's important. The EY can say E. The Y when it's at the end of a word can say E. And this is that tricky one where the E by itself could be short, could be long. You basically have to try it and see which one makes a word. So if I was going to try this, I could say she. If I went into the short she is not a word I know. She, that is a word I know. It must be she. So some more rules that go along with that long E pattern are the EY at the end of a word, the Y at the end of a word. Both are very important. That's the end of the word. And then the E, you just have to kind of try it and see which one makes sense. So now in your slide deck, in the next slide is going to be about, you're going to go over and identify all the long E words in your reading. Geese for the queen. In fact, do you see how geese has two E's in it? And queen has the two E pattern in it? Once you go through your text and circle all of the long E sound words in geese for the queen, then you can type them in here. So let's look. So geese for the queen. I'm going to get my circle tool and I'm going to look for it. So I'm going to scan for the letter E or the letter Y, and then I'm going to see if it works with the long E sound. Geese, oh, it's there right away. The very first one. Make sure I can see the whole word. Geese, get my circle tool again. For the, oh, there's an E. Oh, but it's that sight word that doesn't follow the rules. That's not it. Queen, oh, there's the E, queen. Yep, that one has the double E pattern in it. Once, oh, that E is silent. Okay, upon a time, yep, that E is silent too. There, that has the short one. That one's silent. Were, oh yeah, that ER just says and that one's silent too. Queen, oop, there's queens. And queens is different than queen, so I can circle that one too. Each, ooh, EA, there's another one. Get my circle tool. Each, wanted, the ED is ed, to be. Ooh, there's the E by itself that has the long E sound. To be more, that's silent. Generous. That's short. That says us. Then that does that weird one again. That doesn't work. The ER says Okay, I think we already found 5 to add into our list. We found the EA in each, the EE in geese, queen, and queens, and the I in B. So you already have 5 to start with. All right, have fun on your adventure finding long E words.